Okay, this is the old phone and this is the new phone.
数一下。
This is the data cable. Then click continue. Then insert the cable. The another end to connect the new phone. Now it is connecting. Insert the password of the old phone.
需要等上几分钟。
And then there will need some minutes to wait. And use this cable. There will no need app to operate. And click continue. Then the old phone date will transfer to the new phone. And click the agree. Then to write the old phone password. Then you need to write the password again. Yes, and now it is okay to transfer the data. And it needs about 20 minutes. The cable is very stable, and even though it is dense, the connector will not cut. And when you put off this cable, then they will.
Stop.
When you take out this cable, then the data will stop to transfer. Yes, just like this. Then when you insert it, then it will continue to transfer.